Welcome to this neck and shoulder release practice. Find a comfortable seated position, sitting up tall with your spine aligned. Take a deep breath in through your nose, feeling your shoulders rise, and exhale slowly through your mouth, allowing your shoulders to drop away from your ears. Let's begin by gently tilting your head to the right, bringing your right ear toward your right shoulder. You should feel a nice stretch along the left side of your neck. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, relax deeper into the stretch. Now slowly lift your head back to the center and let's switch sides. Tilt your head to the left, bringing your left ear toward your left shoulder. Breathe in deeply and exhale, letting go of any tension in the right side of your neck. Gently lift your head back to center. Now let's roll our shoulders. Inhale as you lift your shoulders up towards your ears, and exhale as you roll them back and down. Let's do that a few more times. Inhale, lift, and exhale, roll back and down. Now let's incorporate some gentle neck rolls. Drop your chin to your chest, then slowly roll your head to the right, bringing your ear toward your shoulder. And back to center, then to left. Continue this motion for a few rounds, moving slowly and mindfully. Now come back to a neutral position. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of any remaining tension in your neck and shoulders. You've done beautifully. Carry the sense of relaxation and ease with you throughout your day.